Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a handy update on Discord that allows you to change the language on your PC. Whether you want to switch to your native language or explore new ones, it's super easy. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the icon in your taskbar or finding it in your applications. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your Discord home screen. Next, look for the gear icon, also known as the user settings. It's located at the bottom left corner of your screen, right next to your username. Click on that gear icon to enter the settings menu. Now, in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Language. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available languages that Discord supports. This is where you can customize your experience. Finally, choose the language you want to switch to. Simply click on your preferred language from the list, and Discord will automatically update to your selection. You'll notice the changes immediately, bringing a fresh perspective to your Discord experience. And there you have it. Changing the language on Discord is that simple. This new update makes it easier than ever to navigate the app in the language you're comfortable with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. We'd love to hear what language you decided to switch to in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.